What is going on, miners, and welcome back to the Hobbyist Miner channel. Things get a little cooler in here, which is great. Changed up my strategy a little bit. So we do have a box fan over here, and also over here. This one's off only because of the fact of trying to record a video right now. Don't judge my zip ties up there. But yeah, we're looking a little bit better in here now. It's 84 degrees, which is awesome. 82 in this other smaller room over here. Let's look here. 82, and our watts are only at 2700 and 11 amps out of 30. Now granted, one of our rigs is off right now. We're going to talk about that today. But the biggest change we made is this guy over here. Take a look. We got rid of that floor standing unit that was sitting over here, and super inefficient. When it came down, a community member sent me a video comparing the wall mount or the window units to the floor standing units. Oh my gosh, those floor standing units are so bad. They're so inefficient, and on top of that, they cost so much. It cost me last month, my electric bill was over $100 more because of that unit. So I went to Target, bought this 10,000 BTU high efficiency one. It's set to be like $64 a year. So I have this thing running, installed it today, did my best to go ahead and get as much like foam insulation around it and under it and everywhere, just to make sure it stays sealed. I might even get some of the pink insulation, put it on this side, put it on this side, the best I can, even maybe around it, just to make sure it is as insulated as possible. But you guys aren't here to talk about that and listen about that. Let's go back in here, and I want to show you guys what I got in. So we got some goodies in today. Crypto Shaped went ahead and sent me these guys. And these are PCI Adapter Clips to stop these from coming out, is how these work here. So like this guy goes in here, okay? And when you have a whole bunch of these, like when you have like something like this, oh, come on. There we go. When you have a whole bunch of them close together and you're working in here, you're bumping cables, it will go ahead and actually bump these out. The worst thing in the world, and this video is not sponsored by them or anything, guys. The worst thing in the world is working on a rig and then you go to power it up and there's a GPU missing. And so these things should be really sweet, especially over here on these guys. Their whole goal is to lock that PCI adapter in so that it doesn't wiggle and come out. So this guy here, I'm going to try to do this one-handed, so bear with me, it's supposed to go over it like that, and then it clips down here. Okay, let me see if I can do it one-handed. I might just be like the worst at this entirely. Alright, let me put down the camera. Here you go. You guys can kind of watch. Let's see. Here, we'll aim. We'll turn it around a little bit there. There we go. Yeah. Okay, it's clipped in. I didn't have it clipped in. Perfect. So check that out. I'm going to try to get this to focus. There we go. So you push this down, and then you push actually right here and push there. That sucker isn't going anywhere. Hell yeah. That is awesome. So I got a bag of 40 of these that came in from Crypto Shaped. They actually sent them to me for free, but this is not a promotion or a sponsor or anything like that. They wanted me to test them out for them. So kudos to them. If you guys want to check them out, we'll go ahead and promote it. Why not? CryptoShaped.com. And I'm on their site now. And they only sell one thing, which is awesome. PCIe riser clips is what they call them. And they're 75 cents each, which I feel like is amazing. And last I looked in here, they only had white. Now they got a bunch. It looks like white's actually back ordered. Purple, peak green, orange, Egyptian blue, blue, and red. I just got, I think mine are blue. Does it show it? Yeah, mine are blue. What's Egyptian blue? Oh, it's like a little bit, oh, I should have got Egyptian blue. Those look cool. Dang it, should have got Egyptian blue. That's okay. So go check them out. CryptoShaped.com. Come on, camera. There we go. And order those. I got mine within a week, which was phenomenal. But let me go ahead and kill the camera and let me install these on one of my rigs. I'll be right back. Okay, so I decided to do this on my B250 mining motherboard. And oh my gosh, this took a little bit longer than I expected. So they turned out really nice. Actually, I have a screwdriver here to show you. They're locked in. These suckers aren't going anywhere. Some tips for you. So the first row is fine, nice and easy. And then as you start to get in here, the space gets a little tight. So I'm not gonna lie, I wish I had these when I built the rig. So I'm actually glad I got a pack of 40 so that as we build more rigs, we just do this when we're building it, not when I'm actually have my rig, because it's a lot more difficult when you actually just have the rig. When you get into the middle here, what I found worked well was remove the USB cable one at a time, have the adapter in, put the clip on, and then take like a small screwdriver here, and when you're pushing down with your finger on top, take your other hand with the screwdriver and just push, because you need to put pressure at the bottom of the clip, and bam, it clips in. Especially as you start to get like back in here, it just works really well. So I did row by row, it worked good. This third row was the hardest, just with dealing with all of these, but undoing the USB cables one at a time, pushing it in, plugging it in, it worked out really, really well. So yeah, I'm really happy with those. Just some quick tips on those. Let's go ahead and get this rig back up and running. I did shut it down while we were going ahead and doing this. Wanted to make sure we didn't bump anything. So let's, got my little handy dandy power button here. And there we go. Awesome. Well guys, make sure you guys do check these guys out. CryptoShaped.com, 75 cents a clip. No special promo code or anything crazy like that. Other than that, guys, thank you guys very much for joining me today. If you guys did like this video, please go ahead and hit that like button, and do not forget to subscribe. Now, can we get this to freaking focus? Oh my gosh, we did it. See you guys. Take care.